Titan XD Pro-4X includes all XD SV features, plus several upgrades to make it more off-road ready. The XD Pro-4X comes standard with a 400 horsepower V8 engine and four-wheel drive. Titan XD Pro-4X comes in the crew cab configuration. The XD Pro-4X is available in 6 exterior color options. One look at the XD Pro-4X and you'll know it's a serious truck. It comes with stylish, dark 18-inch alloy wheels and LED headlights and taillights. It has front tow hooks and a front aero spoiler delete for better ground clearance. There are Pro-4X decals, a Class 4 towing hitch, and a rear bumper step assist. The XD Pro-4X interior is available in charcoal cloth and charcoal leather. Inside, you'll see Pro-4X styling all around, with stitched badging and also silver metallic trim. Front passengers will enjoy the supportive captain's chairs with a large center console. And drivers will love having power-adjustable seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and dual-zone climate control. Start the XD Pro-4X with the push of a button. The rearview mirror dims automatically for less glare. You can operate your garage door, lighting, and various other home appliances remotely with HomeLink. Your wipers can activate when they sense rain. There are 120-volt AC and 12-volt DC power outlets. There's also a holder for 2 smartphones or even a tablet. There's a high-tech 9-inch touchscreen with navigation that tells you where to go, turn by turn. There are also rear USB ports and a Fender audio system to make your playlist sound as good as possible. In the XD Pro-4X, there are even more driver assist features. There's tech that helps you conquer steep inclines, and traffic sign recognition that can help keep you aware of speed limits and stop signs. It's easy to see why the Titan XD Pro-4X is the off-roader's dream. It's got off-road tires and off-road performance shocks, along with armor underneath for when the road gets rough. There's even an electronic locking rear differential for the toughest conditions. The convenience package adds numerous features to make your day-to-day life easier. The moonroof package gives you fresh air, great views, and more comfort. And you can step up the luxury even more with the premium package.